Hey YouTube, what's up? Y'all know what it is, Bright Spark. Man, today we're very sad. Having a sad day, sad week, and another TikToker went out in the worst way possible. And we all know he was unalive, he was petrified, and then unalive on his TikTok live. You can't make this up, man. We're talking Niah again. Y'all have seen the video, so I don't have to share the video here. You know, over here, we don't share the videos. We just talk and tell the youths, those impressionable youths to just, get their act together and get up the corner, bro. Ain't no joke out here, man. Listen, I was a TikToker. He was a TikToker by day and a TikToker by night. But guess what? He didn't leave the corner in time, man. You go and check out my second video. I told y'all you have to get off the corner, bro. The New World Order is here, bro. It's here. All of those apps, these social media apps that we have, they can't be trusted, bro. You got to get off the corner, and when you get off the corner, you don't take the corner with you. You don't take the corner with you, bro. I mean, Niah was on live trolling another AI TikToker, and y'all see what happened to him, man. Nigga got hit in the chair before he even got up. Those of us who know and know what we know, we see that he was hit before he even got a chance to run, man. So all of these drill talkers, because that's what they're doing. That's what they're doing. They're drill talkers. And why I say drill talkers, they're like drill rappers. The drill rappers, they do shit and they put it in songs, beefing against each other, calling out each other. But this is in a Jamaican way, man, where guys get on TikTok and they're at each other's throat, like two bulldogs, two Rottweilers. They're just going at each other, man. And the next thing you know, Niah gang was on live. Someone pulled up in his yard and they just, you know, finished him, deleted him from the matrix. Because that's the way it is these days, man. The New World Order is in full effect. And if you all see, you know. But a lot of people, man, they're so in a trance, The only way I can describe what's going on now in society is to draw a reference from the cartoon, The Incredibles, The Incredibles. I don't remember which of the parts it was, but that one that had the screen slaver. That's what's going on in society these days with these TikTok social media apps, but TikTok especially. The youth, they're lost in it, man. Once they turn on the screen, it's as if their mind is somewhere else. Cartoons and movies, they're like dreams. They're like dreams. They don't really happen the way it is depicted on the screen, but there's some amount of similarities in what happened. So if you look at The Incredibles with the screen slaver, you see once they turn on the screen, they get in a trance. They get hypnotized. That's what's going on with TikTok, man. I'm telling you. And Niah gang fell victim to what is happening in the New World Order because, they got out of character and they took it personal and they took it literal. So I'm just saying, man, you all need to get off the corner, bro. Get off the corner before what happened to Niah happened to you. Because Niah left the corner. He left the corner a little too late. He left the corner after guys were in shops stalking him, showing him his movements. He got out the corner when Pro Box were slowing down at his feet. He got out the corner when he started getting a lot of threats. And they're saying that he should have been doing his social media in his house. But you don't have to do that, man. You can do it in your yard. The only thing is that who got to him know where he lived. They knew how the yard was set up, and they knew exactly where he was seated. You look at that. So until next time, man, just get out the corner, bro.